Hello again and welcome to First Sound Spellings. Today we have 3 new words. The first one you can see here, was. And we are using the phrase was, and we write the W because the first sound we hear is W. As, and we write an A because we can hear A. Simple, and we write an S because we can hear S. Was as simple. Probably as the other words that ended as simple in their first sound spellings. Our next word has the phrase, "Oh, unhappy little duckling." And this was a phrase for our spelling story. Should you be all alone, oh, unhappy little duckling? Could you come and join us? We would like you to. And you can see that we've added the word would to finish our story. W we can hear at the beginning, so we write W, and then we write the "oh, unhappy little duckling" phrase. And our last word, we exercise. So it's a bit like he exercises, she exercises. More than one, so we exercise. We can hear W at the beginning, so we write the letter W. We can hear E at the beginning of exercise, so we write the letter E. And golly, there's a lot of exercising going on. Running, swimming, and having a walk with your family and your dog. All of that is exercise. Are you ready for our first sound spelling? Was. Was, I can hear W, I write a W. As, I can hear A, I write an A. Simple, I can hear S, I write the letter S. Was. We exercise. We, I can hear W, I write the letter W. Exercise, I can hear E, I write the letter E. We. Would, I can hear W at the beginning, I write the letter W. And then I use the story's phrase. Oh, I write the letter O. Unhappy, I write the letter U. Little, I write an L. Duckling, I write the letter D. Would. How did you get on with your writing of our new strategy words? Wonder what's next? She. She exercises. I can hear sh at the beginning, so I write S, H. I can then hear E at the beginning of exercises. I write the letter E. She. 1. Oh, naughty elephant. I can hear O. I write the letter O. Naughty, I can hear N. I write the letter N. And elephant, I can hear E. I write the letter E. 1. There. There every rat eats. I can hear at the beginning. I write TH. Every I can hear so I write the letter E. Rat, I can hear so I write the letter R. And eats, I write the letter E. So it's the first letter we write in the word eats. There. Could. Oh, unhappy little duckling. I can hear K at the beginning. I write the letter C. O, I can hear an O at the beginning. I write the letter O. Unhappy, I can hear A. I write the letter U. Little, I can hear U. I write the letter L. Duckling, I can hear D. I write the letter D. Could. Put us together. I can hear P at the beginning. I write the letter P. Us. I can hear A at the beginning. I write the letter U. And then I could hear T at the beginning of together. I write the letter T. Put. R. A rotten egg. I can hear A at the beginning of the word A, because it only has one letter. Rotten, I can hear at the beginning. I write the letter R. Egg, I can hear E at the beginning. I write the letter E. R. Give. Give it valued extras. I can hear G at the beginning of give. I write the letter G. It, I can hear I. I write an I. Valued, I can hear V, so I write the letter V. And extras, I can hear E, so I write the letter E. Give. Should. I can hear sh at the beginning, so I write SH. Those are the first two letters, and then we have our story phrase. Oh, unhappy little duckling. So we've written the letters we need for sh. O, we write the letter O. Unhappy, I can hear A. I write the letter U. Little, I can hear U. I write the letter L. Duckling, I can hear D. I write the letter D. Should. Her emerald ring. I can hear H at the beginning. I write the letter H. Emerald, I can hear E at the beginning. I write the letter E. Ring, I can hear at the beginning. I write the letter R. Her. Kind. Kind is nicely done. I can hear K at the beginning of kind. I'm going to write a K. Is, I can hear I write an I. Nicely, I can hear N, I write an N. And done, I can hear D, I write the letter D. Kind. Bus. Bus using signals. I can hear B at the beginning of bus. I write the letter B. Using, I can hear a U. I write the letter U. Signals, I can hear S. I write the letter S. Bus. Now the next word, we have a choice of two first sound spelling phrases. Our word is all. All. A, loud, laugh is the first phrase. I can hear A. I write the letter A. Loud, I can hear L. I write the letter L. And laugh, I can hear L again. So I write another L. And can you remember the second phrase? All laugh loud. That's for when you've got the hang of the fact that the letter A before a double L sounds different. Our word is all, no matter which one of the phrases you picked. Here. Here every rat eats. I can hear at the beginning. I write the letter H. I can hear at the beginning of every. I write the letter E. Rat, I can hear at the beginning. I write the letter R. And eats, I write the letter E because it's the first letter we write in the word eats. Here. Just 3 more to go. Us. Us smiling. Probably because there's not many words left in this very long list. Us smiling. I can hear at the beginning. I write the letter U. Smiling, I can hear S at the beginning. I write the letter S. Us. Old. Old lady dog. O, I can hear at the beginning of old. I write the letter O. Lady, I can hear L. I write the letter L. Dog, I can hear D. And I write the letter D. Old. And our last word is push. Push us sharply. I can hear P. I write the letter P. then I could hear at the beginning of us. I write the letter U. Sharply, I could hear sh at the beginning. And I need the letters S and H. Push. Well done. Now let's read these words. We, was, should, could, would, one, us, bus, there, her, she, here, there, put, give, are, push, kind, all, old, and that's our last word. Well done. If you'd like to go back and look at the phrases for the first words we covered, then go to lesson 9 or lesson 19. But you might like to use something like this that you'll find in lesson 20, or a different version of them in the strategy word checkups in lessons 24, 25 and 26. You can also check up that you still remember the spellings of all these strategy words. Here we have them printed out so that you can read through them to yourself, or maybe to somebody else, or with somebody else. And we've added our last 3 words, would, was and we. We have also kept our story words together. Could, should and would. They're in a slightly different order though. Can you remember the story? Should you be all alone, oh unhappy little duckling? Could you come and join us? We would like you to. Have a think. What was the other story we've introduced with one more word to come? A word that we'll be including in one of the lessons in lesson 27. So look out for it, and thank you for joining me and for working so hard on all those words.